Proven health benefits of garlic. Current research shows that garlic may have some real health benefits, such as protection against the common cold and the ability to help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food. Those are famous words from the ancient Greek physician Hippocrates, often called the father of Western medicine. He prescribed garlic to treat a variety of medical conditions, and modern science has confirmed many of these beneficial health effects. Here are 11 health benefits of garlic that are supported by human research. 1. Garlic contains compounds with potent medicinal properties. Garlic is a plant in the allium, onion, family. It is closely related to onions, shallots, and leeks. Each segment of a garlic bulb is called a clove. There are about 10 to 20 cloves in a single bulb, give or take. Garlic grows in many parts of the world and is a popular ingredient in cooking due to its strong smell and delicious taste. However, throughout ancient history, the main use of garlic was for its health and medicinal properties. Its use was well documented by many major civilizations, including the Egyptians, Babylonians, Greeks, Romans, and Chinese and Iranians. Scientists now know that most of garlic's health benefits are caused by sulfur compounds formed when a garlic clove is chopped, crushed, or chewed. Perhaps the most well-known compound is allicin. However, allicin is an unstable compound that is only briefly present in fresh garlic after it's been cut or crushed. Other compounds that may play a role in garlic's health benefits include diallyl disulfide and S-allyl cysteine. The sulfur compounds from garlic enter your body from the digestive tract. They then travel all over your body, exerting strong biological effects. Summery garlic is a plant in the onion family that is grown for its distinctive taste and health benefits. It contains sulfur compounds, which are believed to be responsible for some of those health benefits. 2. Garlic is highly nutritious but has very few calories. Calorie for calorie, garlic is incredibly nutritious. A single clove, 3 grams of raw garlic contains manganese, 2% of the daily value, Bv, vitamin B, 6 to 2% of the Dv, vitamin C, 1% of the Dv, selenium, 1% of the Dv, fiber, 0.06 grams. This comes with 4.5 calories, 0.2 grams of protein, and 1 gram of carbs. Garlic also contains trace amounts of various other nutrients. Garlic is low in calories and rich in vitamin C, vitamin B6, and manganese. It also contains trace amounts of various other nutrients. 3. Garlic can help protect against illness, including the common cold. Garlic supplements are known to boost the function of the immune system. A large 12-week study found that a daily garlic supplement reduced the number of colds by 63% compared with a placebo. The average length of cold symptoms was also reduced by 70%, from 5 days in the placebo group to just 1.5 days in the garlic group. Another study found that a high dose of aged garlic extract, 2.56 grams per day, reduced the number of days sick with cold or flu by 61%. However, one review concluded that the evidence is insufficient and more research is needed. Despite the lack of strong evidence, adding garlic to your diet may be worth trying if you often get colds. Summary: garlic supplements may help prevent and reduce the severity of illnesses like the flu and common cold, but more research needs to be done before any conclusions can be made.